Welcome to tutorials on C programming. These tutorials are based on the textbook The C Programming Language written by Dennis Ritchie and Brian. This video is about relational and logical operators in C from Chapter 2 Types, Operators and Expressions. Relational operators. The relational operators are greater than or equal to, less than and less than or equal to. All of them have same precedence. Compared to arithmetic operators, relational operators have lower precedence. So in an expression like I less than lim minus 1, it is taken as I less than lim minus 1 in parenthesis. That means lim minus 1 will be calculated first as it is an arithmetic operation, and then the relational operation will be done. That is the check I less than lim minus 1 will be done. Logical operators. Logical operators are logical and logical or denoted by two ampersands, which is logical and two standing lines, which is logical or. Expressions connected by and or, they are evaluated from left to right, and the evaluation stops as soon as truth or falsehood of the result is known. Here we have a for loop from the function getLine, which we have already discussed in chapter 1. The condition check of the for loop is I less than lim minus 1 and C is equal to getChar not equal to /n and C not equal to EOF. Now see the first condition check, that is I less than lim minus 1. So before reading a character using getChar function, it just ensures that there is room for the incoming character in the array. So the test I less than lim minus 1 must be made first, and if that test fails, we must not go on and read another character. And since it's an AND operation, only if first condition is true, then only it evaluates further. Similarly, it would be very unfortunate if C were tested against EOF before getChar is called. So here we have the condition check for second condition as C is equal to getChar not equal to /n. Only if that condition is true, then C will be checked against EOF. Otherwise, C will not be checked, because C is equal to getChar function should return the character to variable C, and then if it is not /n, then only C not equal to EOF will be checked. If that condition is not true, then third condition will not be considered. That is the peculiarity of AND operation. But for OR operation, either one of the conditions can be true. If first condition itself is true, then the entire value of that expression is true. Suppose for an OR operation, the first condition check is false. Then it goes for second condition and evaluates it. If second is true, then also the expression value of the expression will be true. Precedence of logical operator. The precedence of logical AND is higher than that of logical OR, and precedence of both AND and OR are lower than relational and equality operator. So in the expression I less than lim minus 1 and C equal to getChar not equal to /n and C not equal to EOF, there is no need of extra parenthesis, because there the precedence of and or. Here in this expression we have used AND operation, so the precedence of AND operation is less than relational operation. So relational operation will be done first. But since the precedence of not equal to is higher than assignment, so in the second condition you can see C is equal to getChar not equal to /n. In that condition, the precedence of not equal to is higher than equal to or assignment operation. So you have to use the parenthesis in for C equal to getChar. Then only that operation will be done first, and then the C value will be checked for whether it is not equal to or not equal to /n. So that parenthesis is necessary to achieve the desired result of assignment to C and then comparison with /n. Let's see the value of relational or logical expression. If the expression is true, its value is 1, and if the expression is false, its value is 0. Then there is an operator denoted by exclamation mark known as unary negation operator. So it converts a non-zero operand into 0 and a 0 operand into 1. Its usage is if some variable, suppose valid, is equal 0, you can write it using negation operator like if not valid. So this improves the readability of the program. Remaining part of this chapter will be uploaded in another video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.